Guess who's back? Hi, everybody. It's been a long time, my HCG family. It's Dana here checking in because I'm back starting round 3. I'm on my second day of loading. It's been so hard. I don't have to tell any of you who've been here before. You know exactly what I'm talking about. I had a whole list out the door. It's so funny how everything sounds so good, but the minute you put HCG in your system, it goes out the door. It's a good thing. I guess that's how you really know HCG works. So, I don't know. I don't know what to say. I know I'm gaining because I am retaining so much water. And I got on the scale today. I was already up 3.5 pounds, I think. So from today's food, I'm sure I'll be up another pound or 2. So we'll call it a good 5 or 6. I'm sure I'll have gained loading. I know most of it's retention because, I mean, I've been eating, but I haven't been eating as much as I thought I'd eat. Anyways, not worried at all. Know it's going to fall right off, so I'm thrilled about it. I was thinking, isn't it interesting? Like, it's easier to lose 6 pounds loading and then going on HCG than it is just dieting regular. And trying to lose 6 pounds, which would take me probably a month. Anyways, I find it so ironic. It's so funny. I love it. Yay, HCG. Anyways, okay, so where am I at? I took a very, very long break from my last round, ended back in March 17th. So it's been 6 months, and I'm so happy that I decided to do it that way. The super long P3, P4 over the summer was so important for me. I just had a lot of traveling and just all the kids stuff, and there's just no way because I just didn't want to have any interruption at all. I just wanted to enjoy myself and just not really have to worry about it. And I really wanted to just really, really familiarize myself with P3 and P4 so that I just was a pro at it. And I can, I think, officially say I'm really good at it now. I know all the best correction types for my body and what works best for me, and I love it. And I have to say, Neely's Magic Mousse, as I like to call it, is my correction of choice. So anyone looking for an amazing correction, mousse. Neely's Thai Coconut Milk Mousse. Go to her page, check it out, Neely's HCG. I'll try and put a link up here later. Anyways, okay, so I started loading yesterday at my LIW weight pretty much, so I was thrilled with that. I did not want to start loading, 10 pounds on top of LIW because I just would not have been very happy about that. So I started loading at my LIW, which was I think I started yesterday loading, I was 131.8. I think my LIW was 131.6, so a couple ounces. And we'll see where I'm at tomorrow morning, and then we're going to go from there. I'm doing pellets this time, you guys. I previously did 2 rounds of injections, but I just really am so curious about pellets, and I want to have it in my personal reference box so that I'm able to share with others how I feel the differences are, which one I liked better, if that at all. And I know a lot of people have been trying pellets, and I know some have been successful and some just not so successful, but that's okay. I'm prepared to deal with it. If it doesn't work well for me, then I'll know that, and I'll switch to injections. But for now, this is what I'm doing, and I'm excited about it. I can tell you, I've been taking them for 2 days now, and I am not hungry. I'm forcing myself to load, so something's working. My husband is doing it with me. This is his first time. He's been so inspired by this whole HCG thing. He does not have a lot to lose, but he's just looking to get a little leaner. So he's doing injections, though, so he'll be doing that. And he'll probably lose so quick that he's going to increase his calories probably in 2 weeks, I'm sure, because he, again, probably does not have more than 10, 12, 15 tops to lose. What else? I don't know. I'm just excited to be back. I'm excited to be back on P2. As much as I really love P3 and I'm so sad to leave it, I'm ready for little choices. I'm going to eat this or that, and that's it. There's something so nice about that. You know what I'm saying, you guys? It's just so nice to not have to think so much. P2 is just so easy because you just don't have to think about it. So I'm ready. I'm in it. Here I go. Get ready to see me again for the next few weeks, a little bit more, and wish me luck. I'll talk to you guys soon, and happy everything to everybody in any phase that you're on. Bye.